Welcome to my channel. Beautiful tiny house you are watching on the screen. Here in this video I'll share how I planned this house. This is the floor plan of this house. The total area of this floor plan is 5 feet wide and the length is 16 feet. So in the front we have a 4 feet wide outdoor sitting area. Here you can see the chairs and the table and a small storage unit here, and the sliding door here for the entrance. Kitchen plus living room area. The size is 9 feet 2 inches into 11 feet 4 inches. Here you can see the sitting arrangements and the tea table here. And the right side we have a planter outside and a common washroom. The size is 3 feet 6 inches into 7 feet 6 inches. It is the common washroom plus water closet area. We have entrance from both side, outside and also from inside. And we have in the left side we have a room. The size is 8 feet into 8 feet, and you can see the bed arrangement and drawer arrangement, and attached washroom plus water closet area with this room. The size is 8 feet into 3 feet. You can see the water closet direction here and the shower area separately. So this is the small tiny house floor plan for this exterior. This tiny house I have prepared with proper measurements. So keep watching the videos and stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks.